Alright guys, this is my first time. I'm gonna stand up in my shoe. Oh, you can walk. Yeah, walkable. It's not showing. Okay.
Yeah, but
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I think by the time you're seeing this, it's either Christmas Day or the day before Christmas Day. So, Merry Christmas, and I hope you're having a jolly good time with your family and friends. This is like the 23rd, so a few days before Christmas, and I decided to do the ice skating because I did promise you guys that I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try it, and I'm also curious for myself to try ice skating for the first time. Oh my god, I hope I don't break something. But anyways, I'm going to do it. I'm now at the arena. I'm gonna meet with my friend Anita and Catalia because Catalia also wants to go skate. And yeah, let's go see them. Oh, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have something nice to say about me trying ice skating for the first time. All right guys, see you soon. Hi Catalia. Hi Anita. So how does it work here? Yeah.
we go inside. We say we want to go.
We go to the entrance and say you want us to do skating, ice skating, then you pay.
Okay.
Go to
Yeah. Ja, ich auch. Ich will probieren. Aber haben Sie weil ich habe nie gemacht.
Ja,
Nie mal gemacht.
ich habe einen Stuhl,
Stuhl, okay.
wo Sie sich dran halten können.
Okay,
Möchten
super.
Sie sein?
Ja,
Ja,
gern.
der kostet aber 5 Franken
Okay.
für eine Stunde.
Für eine Stunde.
Ja.
Okay, ist okay.
Möchten Sie eine?
Ja, gern.
Ja. Auch mit Karte oder im Bar?
Mit Bar.
17 Franken macht er bitte. Dankeschön.
Bitteschön. Okay, Sie sind schön. Braucht man Maske auf der Eis?
Ja,
Ja, okay.
It's standing.
Danke.
danke auch.
Hier die Masken auch auf dem Eis.
Du kannst. My first time. I'm gonna stand up in my shoe. Oh, you can walk. Yeah, walkable.
It's not
It's not showing. Okay.
It's not hard. Yeah, but
Do we put the shoes in front or we?
we leave them.
All right, guys. So these are what they. Oops. These are what they usually give to children to help them when they're not so confident in skating or it's the first time. And of course, I'm not a child, but it's my first time, and yeah, I'm not confident whatsoever. So here goes. I'm getting a kiddie stool. You're so funny. You're so funny. Katala, don't hold down. She's no, seriously, it's so slippery. Katalea, just do you. Don't be there. Because she's not so good and you're not perfect. You have to turn the stool. Just look the other side, the other way. Yes. Yeah. Like this. Danielle, if you clamp it, you pull it like up. Katara, show her. I need an instructor. But here they don't have? They don't have. Okay. Natalia is going to show me what. Okay. What Anita is too slippery. This one and can conquer. I will conquer it, but I need an instructor.
break.
Okay guys, so I came, Anita, why are you laughing? Alright, I came, I tried, and I didn't conquer. But next time I will try, okay? I'll try to do a little bit better. Alright, so that was it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Say bye. Catalia is on the skate. Catalia, ooh, she fell. Ooh, oh.